In this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to work on your ankle dorsiflexion, and we're going to be doing this with a resistance band. So I've got the resistance band looped around a fixed resistance object, and I'm going to come into a kneeling position or half kneeling position for this stretch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick which leg that I'm going to be stretching and working on my ankle mobility, specifically through dorsiflexion. And I'm going to place that ankle and foot into the band. So once I've done that, I've got the band around my ankle, whereby if you locate on both sides of your ankle those bony prominences that come out, which are called your malleolus, that is where I want the band to be. From here, we're going to come out in that half kneeling position, and we're looking for a 90-degree angle at both knees, so my forward and back leg have that 90-degree angle. Now what I'm going to do is, without bringing my body forward, I'm going to bring my knee forwards, coming into dorsiflexion, and I can hold that for my desired amount of seconds before returning back to that 90-degree position at the knee. If I wanted to make this more abrasive, the more I come out, the more this band is going to have tension on it, so the more it's going to encourage more abrasive dorsiflexion, and it's going to test my mobility of the ankle further. If I come out too far, what might happen is my heel might start lifting off, and we want the whole foot, especially the front foot, to be completely on the floor at all times. So let's go through a couple of repetitions. I've got my chest up, core braced and glutes braced. I come forwards through the knee, keeping my body nice and upright. And then I come back, forwards through the knee, back, forwards through the knee, back. And as mentioned, you can hold the seconds in those repetitions for as long as you like. Whatever you do on one side, repeat on the next side, and that is how you work your ankle dorsiflexion and with a resistance band in this tutorial.